But I just like the logic. That's fine.
Design and developed from a scratch here in Kenya, and then we have the controller unit that is covered here, and the user interface, and everything addresses the question of like how we get some. So we made a provision that you can have a charger. This is not for fuel; it's for charger. Somebody can also carry some money actually. So basically, it's a portable charger. So we're able to sell it to 260,000 Kenya shillings inclusive of VAT. And if we can get some tax breaks, but this is the time now we're just about to scale up and into parts and having more parts done.
Can go to 70 kilometers away. That's when we talk.
So maybe you should get a battery. You should get a battery that can last that long.
Yes. So Bodaboda operators are usually the first to arrive in scenes of accident.
Correct.
So we train so many of them in first aid skills, so that it does not injure the protruding object. Their metal is bone, then they will apply some first aid and first response. And they are very helpful in helping their colleagues and
pikipiki kuanzia asubuhi mpaka jioni, akifika kwa nyumba hata akili imechanganyikiwa.
That you've given Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
HIF, karibuni.
Siku ya leo ni furaha kwetu.
Therefore, Your Excellency, the Executive Chairman, Bodaboda Safety Association of Kenya.
From all the 47 counties, then in Nairobi also we have the leadership. On your right is the leadership of Boda. We have our we are organized so that we can be able to access the funds through your ministry for these members to upgrade their Aishi in a decent environment. So as a sector, Your Excellency, we are going to support you 100% on million shillings every day. Your Excellency, when you multiply that by 30, that's almost 60 billion housing, so that some of us also can be owners of this affordable housing, Your Excellency. So that is a project. So what we want to support you on is we as an organization, we always support the government. Your Excellency, the last thing that are coming, let these riders, now that we are organizing the counties across the country, let's have charging points, our economic income. When we will be owning these charging points, Your Excellency, we are going to improve, support you in any way that it can. But as the days have gone, unapata kwamba nowadays, they don't fight on the road. Ama sina mra hiyo? Yeah, through sensitization that we have been doing, Your Excellency, hakuna plans for this kind.